I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Motivational Monday. This Motivational Monday is super special because it's sponsored by Netflix and the new movie, The Christmas Chronicles. The Christmas Chronicles is a super fun holiday adventure movie starring Kate and Teddy Pierce, who had to plan to catch Santa Claus live on camera. And they end up going on this crazy adventure. They end up on Santa's sleigh and almost ruin Christmas. It's so crazy. And throughout the movie, they go through these unexpected obstacles just to help Santa deliver Christmas to everybody. Even though the movie is such a fun holiday movie, it's filled with so many important lessons. Brother and sister Kate and Teddy don't get along, and Teddy has such a hard time because he doesn't really believe in himself. I think the character I connected to most in the movie was definitely Teddy, because we all had those times where we just didn't believe in ourselves. And that's why for this Motivational Monday, I'm going to be sharing a few tips on how to believe in yourself so you know you can overcome anything. Tip number 1. Ditch that self-doubt. In the movie, Teddy is filled with self-doubt and he's just trying to find himself. But that pushes him to find the wrong group of friends. I connect so much with Teddy because I remember that I wanted to fit in so bad and I just wanted people to like me. And I ended up being friends with people that necessarily weren't the best for me. So you gotta stop doubting yourself. Whatever you say in your head comes true. So fill your head with positive things and just remember that you can do anything. And you don't have to change yourself for people to like you. The right people will like you for you. Tip number 2. Don't push away the people that love you. In the Christmas Chronicles, Teddy's self-doubt causes him to push away the people that love him, like his mom or his sister. This touched me so much because I remember when I had a lack of self-confidence in basketball, I didn't want to hear anything from my mom or my dad. I was blinded by the thought that I couldn't do it, and the more they try to help me, the more I just push them away. So my tip to you is don't do that. The people that love you are just trying to get you to see the greatness inside of you. Tip number 3. Don't let fear stop you. In the Christmas Chronicles, Teddy was afraid of failure. He didn't want to let his dad down, so that just stopped him from trying anything. Throughout the movie though, the love and encouragement from the people around him reminded him that he wasn't a failure and his dad would be so proud of him. I connected to that so much because when I felt like a failure, the people that loved me the most got me out of that terrible mindset. I was afraid of failing because I didn't want to let anybody down. But my parents and my loved ones let me know that as long as I tried, they would be proud of me. So don't ever let fear stop you from trying your best or achieving your goals. Teddy was able to find himself again and believe in himself through the help of Santa Claus, his sister, his mom, and he changed his negative attitude to a positive one. And I think that's a super important message because whenever we're feeling doubtful or like a failure, we can't just push our loved ones away because those are the people that help us find our way back to ourselves. Believing in ourselves all the time is hard because we all doubt ourselves sometimes, but we just have to keep moving forward and not keep looking back. And the most important message that the Christmas Chronicles taught me is you never have to move forward alone. Your loved ones will always be by your side. So I hope you guys take some time out to watch the Christmas Chronicles on Netflix this holiday season. It's such a fun movie. I love the adventure and it has very important messages. Happy Motivational Monday. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.